Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use green gram powder for hair. First, gather about 1/4 cup of green gram powder. Next, gradually add water to the powder, mixing well until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Make sure there are no lumps, as this will make the application much easier and more effective for your hair. Now that your paste is ready, it's time for application. Begin by dividing your hair into several manageable sections. This helps ensure even coverage. Then, apply the green gram paste generously, starting from your roots and working your way down to the tips. Don't forget to gently massage it into your scalp for added benefits. Once the mask is applied, let it sit on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the beneficial properties to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. It's important to ensure all the green gram powder residue is completely washed out, leaving your hair clean and refreshed. Using green gram powder regularly offers wonderful benefits. It helps strengthen your hair, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair health. It also acts as a natural cleanser for your scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth. For optimal results, incorporate this nourishing hair mask into your routine once or twice a week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.